Value pack of 6. Receive 6 amber glass spray bottles with 6 3-setting adjustable sprayer tops. Multi-use. Great for essential oil aromatherapy spray blends and organics, kitchen use, DIY cleaners, bleach and disinfectants, household use, lawn garden, pet care, more. Safe, eco-friendly. Glass is recyclable, lead-free, and reusable, best for storage of oils. Tops are BPA-free with stainless steel internal springs. Capacity. 16 fluid ounces equals 2 cups equals 475 milliliters. Size, 9 inches tall by 2.9 inch diameter, spray head 4 inches long. 3-setting spray. Adjustable sprayer gives you light spray, heavy stream, and off settings. Enjoy our bulk pack of 16-ounce spray bottles for all your household DIY and aromatherapy needs. Now you can blend cooking sprays, make cleaning solutions, create essential oil blends, or transfer commercial liquids to your own glass spray bottles for safe household applications. Our spray bottles are great for spraying vinegar, rubbing alcohol, household cleaners, or even just water. Use in the kitchen, garden, bathroom, and all around the house. Top reviews from the United States. Way better looking than reused plastic bottles. For the price of the pack, I didn't expect much. Out of the 6 bottles, only one didn't work well. It leaks a bit, and when I spray, the spray is very weak. But like I said, for the price I wasn't expecting much, so to have one bad bottle out of 6, that's a good percentage. I use them for DIY home cleaners, and they were the perfect size to do the recipe mixtures.